Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink EA from Steam. So let's get into the video. So open up your browser and log into your EA account. So go to their website and log into your EA account. So once I've logged in here, so you're going to go and click on your profile here on your top right. Click on your profile and simply open up your account settings. Click on it. And then when you get to your account settings here, so scroll down underneath on your left side and tab here, you will see connections. Simply open up connections, and under connections you will see all your connected accounts. So we're going to unlink Steam, so scroll down and you got Steam here, so mine has been linked. So if I want to unlink, simply click on unlink, and then it's going to send a verification code to my registered email. So all I have to do is simply hit on the send security code tab here, button here. So just click on it and then go to my email and get the tab, and then just plug the security code and verify my identity, and that's it. I'll be able to unlink my EA account. So it's pretty a simple process. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video.